What's up, guys? Welcome to my trade recap for today. We are making a video on a Monday that shows you how serious we are. Yeah, let's get to the business of today. So we had three trade opportunity. Is it three or four? Because I was position trading BTC. I didn't originally plan to position trade BTC, but I'm going to talk about that particular trade. But prior to that, let's talk about what I did on EU last week. So it was on Thursday. Yes, Thursday, the 29th of May. Oh, okay, that's not last. I think that's upper week. 29th of May. I was able to take TP on this particular trade on Monday, the 02 January, 02 June. Okay, so what happened? I'm going to bar replay this to show you exactly what my thought process looked like before and in the trade and what I did in between. So if we come on the 4-hour time frame, prior to taking this is what I had here. So first off, I've been able to identify that originally we are in an uptrend. So we can see that price is moving the normal uptrend way, higher highs, creating a low for more buying position, create highs, create a low, create highs, on the low, then it tapped out at this particular point. So after this point, you can see this is what an uptrend looks like. It's not exactly direct. It goes up, comes down, and we have continuations. So after that particular phase was over, we have a bit of a correction here, like a downtrend correction. But overall, we are in an uptrend, so we have to pay more attention to the uptrend. So what I did on this particular trade, what I was looking at, so as I noticed price pulled out of here, we made a correction. So exactly from here, we had a low created here. We're not able to break below this low and increase this. We're not able to take this low out. So we have a little bit of an inefficiency here. So price has started creating higher highs. So first off, we see there's an imbalance between the buyers and sellers around this range. You can see price came. You're supposed to continue to create lower lows if the downtrend is going to pick up from this area. But you can see as price tapped in here, price went back, tapped on top of here, then created a low. We have this inefficiency around this level here. So as soon as I noticed that, I started plotting ways in which I could capitalize on price at this area. So now you can see that price started creating higher highs, tapped out, create another high here. We have a low, then we have a high. So basically what I was looking for, I just need a correction to this level here, or better still, we have some liquidity around this level. So I was looking for that. So with that being said, let's see how price unveiled itself. So price immediately breached through this particular level here. Price breached through, because if price originally tapped in here, how we have rejection candles, and I have my motion to go in, which are the candles I look for when I want to go maybe buy or sell. I would have taken trade there because it was around the 78 extension. But what the price do from this particular level of movement, so what the price do, price broke below this low, maybe causing like a sweep of liquidity, and we have buyers sitting down here ready for positions to go in for longs. So as soon as this happened, I think this was midnight. Okay, this was London open on Thursday. So I just stayed patient and I waited. So by 10 o'clock, London session still, before the overlap to New York, I booked in a buy position here. And you can see price just tapped me in, and boom, we had a 1 to 2 great trade opportunity. But this stemmed from backtesting, knowing my edge, not changing my strategy because of maybe I was in a losing streak or whatever it is, and continuous learning. Because in this space, you have to continue learning. So basically, it's still the same thing I do. You know my type 1 strategy. Price is in a buy. Price is in a buy. Refined retracements, double bottoms, and sometimes price can break below this double bottom here, and you can just buy from this area and all the way to the races. Or the normal type 1 edge, price going up, comes back down, get your retracements here, double bottom situation, and boom, there you go. So that's it for this video, guys. This is what I did on Euro USD. Oh, before I leave, if I cut this video short, I was able to have a buy position too on NZDUSD. Same trade idea. You know, once the dollar is bearish, we're able to capitalize on pairs that are paired to the dollar. So I was originally I was looking for a 1-to-1 on this particular trade. So this is NZDUSD. If you check your charts, you can see we have a resistance level here. So price has tapped here once, twice, 3 times, and the 4th time, and we retraced. But one of the reasons why I decided to buy this was because of I found some inefficiencies in the market. So we can see price is trending this way. Price is creating higher highs from this original low we created here. After this particular level was tapped in, you can see price started creating lows, and we got to this point. So as soon as it tapped in here, exhausted, you can see price started creating higher highs. So as soon as I find a retracement, I used my fib. My fib to we're right on the 61 extension, wicked out, and I just booked in for a buy around this level. And you can see how price just went straight to, we have a bit of drawdown, but price went straight to take profit. So on this particular trade, I was just looking for a 1-to-1, but you can see price did even a 1 to 1.59, and as current price, you can see price even got to a 1-to-2 very easy. But originally I was looking for a 1-to-1, so I took a 1-to-1 as soon as price got here, and that was it for this particular trade. So don't forget to like, comment, share to continue to see content like this, and don't forget to support the channel by subscribing, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye for now.